everybody, and welcome. Today's video, we are putting the Allure Beauty Box to the test. As we know, for October, they have bumped it from $15 a month to $23. And you guys, we're gonna unbox it today and see if it's really worth the $23 that it now costs to get the subscription. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a, say it with me, judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, review subscriptions, and just have a good old time. And remember, we're just here to have fun. So I upload all the time over here. I'd love it if you guys would be a part of the family. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. I have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I've been uploading about 2 times a week over there. A lot of Rhonda rambles in the PJs, good old time. And I'm also over on Instagram. So make sure to give me a follow because I do giveaways over on Instagram, as well as I'll talk about today the giveaway we have going on our channel later in the video. FYI, first video of the day, and I'm just, yeah. Anyways, do you love the top? Do you love the, I love the top. It's from Torrid. I'll link it below. It is so cute, so cozy, and I'm feeling myself. I'm just lying. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Just remembered I forgot to take my Zyrtec, so I can't breathe, so that's fine. Ragweed season, Kentucky, crazy, I know. Anyways, like I said, I'm on Allure Beauty Box website right now, and the October box is supposed to be valued at $220, and I paid $23 plus tax for this. So it does claim that now with more products, more full-size items, and higher value than ever before, the October box is loaded with 10 products, including 3 full-size that, again, like I said, has a retail value of $220 plus value for 23 bucks. So let's just see, Allure. Let's just see. Because you guys know, I thought that $15 was a really good deal. Really good deal. And I like that it was nice and affordable. So this, to me, $23 just bumped it into Ipsy, BoxyCharm, you know, that kind of category. So let's see. So here's what it looks like on the inside. And you guys know my complaint has always been that in the pamphlet, it's more of a review versus telling me what the actual item does, you know what I mean? So, but it does look like it does give you a retail value. You still have the coupon codes available. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. All right, are we serious? Okay, maybe it's just because it's morning, the caffeine hasn't totally kicked in, but I can't say that I'm like knocking my socks off just glancing. So the first item I see here is La Roche-Posay Lip Accar Balm. Is this the full size? Let's just see here. Okay, so 400 mLs. Okay, no. This is not the full size, so this is like the deluxe size sample, which again, Ipsy is a deluxe size sample, the $12 glam bags. So this has a retail value full size of $19.99, and this is a basic moisturizer, simple, I don't know. It's, you guys know how I get. I'm not a reader. I don't claim to be a reader. So it just says for extra dry skin for the body and the face. And I don't know. Here you go. So, you know, my first thought here is I paid $23 for this. Okay. Next, we see the NewCo Tropical C Fresh Vitamin C Firms Fine Lines, Smooth, Brighten, and it's an antioxidant. So here's what the box looks like. That's what the box looks like. Let's open her up. So I would say this is the full-size item. Is this a powder? I'm gonna have to see what this does. This is a powder? It's a powder. What is this? The one thing I will say is when it comes to Allure, I feel like they put brands in that I'm not very familiar with. So I do like that side of things. The new code Tropical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even in water. And this again, I'm reading a review. It lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding any weight. It's a skincare equivalent of those expensive boosts advertised on smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts. It does have a retail value of $70. So, okay. I know nothing about a vitamin C powder, but I am intrigued by it because I'm kind of thinking, like, even if I don't use it on my face, because my face is very, very picky when it comes to vitamin C products, maybe this is something I can put in my body lotion and, you know, put it all over my body. So that I'm not too upset about. It just takes 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mix with water. Apply to clean skin. That's kind of interesting. Okay. Maybe I'm loosening up a little bit. Maybe. We'll see. The next item I see in here is by Verso. It's a Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Okay, this I'm not mad about because I have heard, I've not tried it. I've received it in the past, but I haven't gotten to it yet. I have heard it is a good product. This does have a retail value of $65. And again, their review on here, if you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. Okay, there's no excuse for oh my gosh, I rarely use eye cream, but the 95% of the ones that I've tried makes my eyes water and create little bumps around my lids. Again, this is a review that I am reading. This is not my take on this. This does deliver noticeable benefits, and the Super Eye Cream is among the 5% lightweight, I don't know, Allure. I don't know if you're watching this, but I don't want to know the review. I kind of just want to know about the product. You know what I mean? It just says it is firming and smoothing eye serum with Retinol 8. So her review is she likes it, so that's cool. Like I said, retail value $65. Maybe it's just a me thing. But like I said, I don't want to, like, you can give me the review, but maybe like put what the item does and then I'll read about the review. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a brat. Okay, the next item is the Ceramide Cream from Dr Jart. This does have a retail value, and I'm assuming it would be full size $48, and to get healthy hydrated skin, I would assume. So there you go. I'm not excited here. Can you guys tell? The next item is by Sigma. This is a liquid lipstick, which fortunately, you know, it's in the box and I can see. This is, it has a retail value of $20, but in here the picture is a big, obviously I don't think it's going to be, this is like a, is this a deluxe? This is a mini. I mean, it's a pretty color. It scares me, but it's pretty. Sigma's good, so you know that's nice. And here's another product in here. It's cute. Static Nails nail polish. I do my own nails, so I enjoy nail polish, and I like this color. I think it's safe and neutral. It does have a retail value of $16. You know, here's the thing. I would really like to have more information about it. Like, is it, like Kathleen Lights talks about like hers being 7 free or 10 free or free of things. It does say it's non-toxic, liquid glass lacquer in the shade Irene. This does say in the review, it's cruelty free and it doesn't contain questionable ingredients like formaldehydes. But again, I kind of want, I want more. Like, I want this company to give me like, hey, I'm cruelty free and I don't have XYZ ingredients and all of that. You know what I mean? So this is like the most negative video I feel like I film is when I do an Allure unboxing. I get my panties in a bunch every single time. The next item I see here is by Native Fig. It's a replenishing shampoo on one side and a conditioner on the other. And again, we're looking at a deluxe sample. So I'm just kind of like, whatever. I think this was like maybe even a freebie, because typically when you see something on the back, that's just kind of like their throw-in thing. And then the last item I see in here is the Hydrating Collagen eye pads. You get one pack, one for each eye. And it has a retail value of $18 if you get if you buy it, and you'll get 5 applications. This is not worth $23, guys. If you sit and think about it, like for me, I look at it like, okay, you guys know I unbox Ipsy, BoxyCharm. I'm trying to think. There's the GEEK Beauty Box, the AIA. I've got like all of them sitting up here. The AIA Beauty Bundle, Glossy Box, Look Fantastic. This is a no. Like, I need to figure out how to cancel this, because to me, yes, you gave me like some full-size products in here, but for $2 more, I could get Ipsy or BoxyCharm, and this is nothing to see these kind of expensive, you know, luxury type of skincare products in my Ipsy or my BoxyCharm. So for me, this box is not worth the 23 bucks. I don't see the $220 value. I don't know if I'm missing something, but yeah, you didn't knock my socks off. I mean, you gave me deluxe size samples, which I see in a, you know, $12 Ipsy bag, or in my, what is it, $19 Look Fantastic box. I mean, you put yourself in a category of like Glossy Box, you know, or BoxyCharm or Ipsy. Yeah, it's a no for me, dog. I feel like I completely wasted $23. Am I being a little harsh? Potentially. But like I said, when you are used to opening a $25 box, or even a bi-monthly $30-some box, and you're getting 5 full-size products, where darn near every product is worth $20 to $30 and up, this to me is a huge disappointment. I mean, I feel so weird, because I feel like I'm the type of person that I try and find the positive in everything, even when it comes to unboxing a subscription. But at the same time, like, I just can't see, like, I'm not excited about anything in this box. I just feel like if you, best example, okay, when Ipsy came out with their, you're now choosing 3 out of your 5 Ipsy Plus products, they nailed it. In August, their first month rolling that out, they nailed it. It was amazing. And then, you know, you're rolling this $24 box out, you're telling me it's worth $220. Where? I mean, even the lipstick, that's no way that's a $20 lipstick by Sigma. I mean, that is a little sample that you would see, I feel like, in your Ipsy Glam bag. So I don't know, guys. Maybe, should I give it another month? Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I don't know. I feel like, remembering my past Allure beauty boxes, I feel like this was a $15 box. Yeah, I definitely feel like it was a $15 box. I'm probably gonna get hate, but you know what? Judgment-free zone. To each their own opinion. Let's be kind in the comment section. You know, I always say, and maybe I need to do this myself, but I always say a subscription box, you got to keep an open mind, because you may not like everything in here. But from a price standpoint, if I pay $23 for something, or $25 for something, I mean, I want to feel like I got my money's worth, and I just don't feel it. So anyways, guys, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Did you guys get the exact same thing? Now, typically, that is how Allure Beauty Box has always been. Everybody gets pretty much the same thing across the board. So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, I do have a giveaway going on our channel right now. It is our 30K giveaway. I will leave the video for that linked in the description box down below for y'all, as well as in the comment section. And yeah, that is it. on to unboxing things that I know I'm gonna get my money's worth on. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.